Friends, today we discuss the first kinematical equation, also called as the Newton's equation of motion using graphical method. There are basically three equations are there. Out of that, we discuss the first equation, v is equal to u plus at. For the reason, we have some mandatory conditions are there. The first condition is what, the object perform uniform acceleration and that object traveling in a straight line. That's why we cover, like we made a graph, because it is a graphical method, that's why we made a graph here along with time versus velocity. Time is on x-axis and velocity is on the y-axis, and the object travel in a straight line with the uniform acceleration. Am I right? Uniformly accelerated object travel in a straight line. ये याद रखना है. And second, initial velocity, that is denoted by the letter u, it should not be exactly equal to 0. That's why we have some other point rather than origin. On behalf of this scenario, we design the three values. First of all, what is the initial velocity of an object? What is the initial velocity of an object? Denotes by the letter u, and here with respect to origin up to this point, this is what OD. It is what initial velocity. Am I right? ये वो आपका first concept. Second, what about the final velocity of an object? So for the final velocity of an object, we have to draw a straight line parallel to x-axis, because velocity is on the y-axis. That's why this is what the dotted line which meets on this point B. कहाँ पे जाएंगे? ये point D को B को जाके join होगी on the y-axis, and here we consider as a point C. यहाँ पे हम लोग point कौन सा करेंगे? Point C. So for the final velocity, we denotes with the letter V with respect to origin, because the velocity is on the y-axis. The value OC, it is what the final velocity. And to travel the object from point D along a straight line with uniform acceleration up to point B, the object required some time, and this time is called as the t. How much time required? T time required to move the object. Okay. Now, as just now I told you, it is nothing but an example of the object traveling in a straight line with a uniform acceleration. So we have the formula for acceleration. What is the formula for acceleration, or what is the acceleration? Before this, we have one video on the acceleration. I already give you the link in the description. You can just see that video. So in that video, you found that the definition of acceleration is nothing but the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. This is what acceleration. And here the formula for acceleration is the acceleration nothing but the final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Here final velocity is what? V, minus initial velocity is u. These are the letters to denote final velocity V, initial velocity u, divided by time. And for acceleration we have a. For acceleration we have the value called as a. Now V having the value called OC, minus u having the value called OD, and t we kept as it is. So this is a equal to OC minus OD divided by t. Now if you observe the graph, this value is what? OC. From O up to C. Am I right? OC, this value. From this OC, if we subtract OD, what remains? Of course, very good. Here CD remains. What it remains? CD. Once again, see here on x-axis, this value is called OC, and from this value, suppose we subtract OD. So what remain? CD remain. That's why OC minus OD is equal to nothing but CD, and this is kept as it is. So suppose we take, therefore if we take CD on left hand side, this A multiplied with this T, it become CD is equal to AT. Now this is what equation number 1. हमको ये आगे रखने वाला है, इसके लिए मैंने यहाँ पे डिजाइन किया. नाउ थोड़े से डायग्राम में चेंजेस करेंगे. अब हम लोग इस टाइम को एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर में लेके आएंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डॉटेड लाइन, एंड दिस पॉइंट इट इज कॉल्ड ई, एंड along parallel to this x-axis we design we assume draw one line here, and here it will meet this point is called A. ठीक है, मैंने एक लाइन ड्रॉ किया एक्स एक्सिस के ऊपर में, जहां पर ये मीट हुआ उस पॉइंट को नाम दिया E, and from B I am again joining a straight line where this BE, where it intersect, that intersect point I consider as a A. अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा राइट साइड में जाएंगे. और राइट साइड में हम लोग इस वैल्यू को कंसीडर करेंगे, दिस मच. हियर वी डिजाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ BE. So what is BE? After all this conclusion, now what is BE? BE is nothing but AE plus AB. Am I right? This BE nothing but AE plus AB. So here AE plus AB. Am I right? ये वो पहला कंसेप्ट. अब मैं इसको कंपेयर करूंगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड से. ये डायग्राम की राइट हैंड साइड है और इधर आएंगे हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को. अब अगर इस BE को इक्विवेलेंट कोई अगर वैल्यू है तो वो है OC. बट BE इक्वल टू OC एंड वी नो दैट OC इक्वल टू व्हाट? OC इक्वल टू V. सो हियर आई एम रिप्लेसिंग BE बाय V ओनली. हाउ कैन आई रिप्लेस? वंस अगेन, दिस BE is exactly equivalent to OC, and we know that the value of OC nothing but the final velocity of object, that is V. That's why BE replaced by V. This AE. Now next thing, what about AE? This AE nothing but this OD. This AE nothing but this OD, and OD is nothing but what? OD is nothing but initial velocity, that is U, plus AB. This AB nothing but this CD. This AB is equal to this CD, and CD nothing but what? As per the equation number 1, CD is nothing but 80. And finally we derive the first equation of motion, Newton's first equation of motion, using graphical method, that is V is equal to U plus AT, also called as the kinematical first equation. V is equal to U plus AT.